All right, guys. This is the new 2000 Honda Civic I have purchased. Recently did a head gasket on here. Sick ass valve cover. And today we're manual swapping it. Oh yeah. With these JDM ass pedals. All right, here's a how-to video.
All right, guys.
I got the automatic bullshit out. Got this shit out. This got dirty AF.
How did that get
What
there?
the hell, dude? You're racism. Oh, jackass. Here it is. You had to cut out all the pinch welds and hammer the shit out of it, and then it comes out for wheel.
For real.
And then the broken
nice
axle.
Discombobulated ass shit.
Remember. All right, guys. Transmission is out. Here, I can assist you, bro. Here it is. Stupid ass fucking transmission. Oh shit, my bad, bro. All right. Here's the VIN if you want to come tracking me down. All right. Here's the flex plate. Oh damn, my rear main seal hella leaking, twin. Oh hell no. All right, guys, I'm finished. It's officially manual swapped. Forgot to record low key, but boom, shifters and everything is in. Let me pop the hood. All right, see you, boom. All this shit in. Look at that brand new bolts, dude. Oh my god. Here's the trans on there. Cleaner than the block, to be honest. Boom. That shit for real manual though. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.